In other news, a couple in Subukia claims that the late George Saitoti's son, Zachary Musengi, is their biological son. They say he went missing in 1988 when he was just about to turn 3 years old. The couple has now filed a case at the Nakuru magistrates court seeking to be allowed to institute a private prosecution against Saitoti's widow, Margaret Saitoti. If granted, the couple intends to request a DNA sample in order to ascertain his biological parentage. Here are the details. Zachary Musengi was introduced to most Kenyans after the tragic death of his father, the late Internal Security Minister George Saitoti, on June the 10th. At the Requiem Mass and burial, he stayed close to his mother, Margaret Saitoti. It was also at this time that a couple in Subukia claimed they had for the first time seen their son in 24 years. Sebastian Maina, a primary school teacher, and Elizabeth Njeri, a nurse, claim Musengi is their biological son, who went missing about 3 weeks before his 3rd birthday. They have filed a case at the Nakuru Chief Magistrates Court seeking court orders to institute a private prosecution against Saitoti's widow, Margaret. According to the couple, Musengi was born on 21st September 1985 and named Stephen Washira. They claim he was abducted from their family home in Subukia on 31st August 1988, adding that a case against a woman alleged to have abducted their son was terminated after they started receiving death threats.
They have always had reliable information that their son was taken to the then Vice President, Professor George Saitoti.
If they are granted leave to begin private prosecution, the couple intends to first request a DNA test be conducted to prove Zachary Musengi's biological parents. A ruling on the matter is set to be issued on Wednesday, November 14th.